Hi everyone, this is number 16 of the 3ds Max tutorial. So now I will show you how you can make a basic building, low poly building, or a basic building you can say, with using standard primitives, just box, sphere and cylinder, whatever we learn. So yeah, okay, so you can go to the perspective view. Okay, so here what you can do is okay, you can take a building shape like this. Okay, uh, it doesn't need to be so precise. I mean so um, with the height and width and length. Okay, yeah, so okay, and now if you can do, we just select on an edge view. Okay, then the box, again the box is maybe whatever height you just, okay, let's say okay, 0.6, 0.6 and 0.6. Okay, but the width, no, the length you can minimize. Okay, then okay, make this one is a center point pivot. Okay, then you can go here. Okay, again you can minimize, let's say 0.2, 0.2, 0.3 actually, 0.3, 0.3. Oops, no, the height will remain the same, 0.3. Okay, let's say this is the window shape. Okay, we just have to be precise. Okay, and copy this one. Okay, and the height is, let's say, 0.6. Okay, the height may be like this, or 0.8, no, 0.7, 0.7. Okay, okay, something like this and this. Okay, and then this is a door maybe. Yeah, and then you can have this, make it a couple of copies like this, like this. Okay, okay, and then okay, maybe click on here, maybe angle slab, turn on angle snapping and rotate it. Okay, and then just push it to the wall. Okay, something like this, like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, and then you just push it to the outer side, again copy, like this. Okay, something like this. And you just copy these buildings, this windows, and something like this. This is for the practice, guys. Remember, this is for the practice. This is not actually even close to the real building, but this is for the practice, for the beginner. So I'm doing like this. So we are trying to make something out of the primitives. Okay, so okay, make it a group like floor 1. Okay, and then our floor 1 is done. We have some windows popping up, and we have a door. Okay, so yeah, and then I just push the copy button, and then okay, but what you have to do is, okay, this is the lower ground, but you have to do is you just make a copy, place it above somewhere, and what you can do actually, uh, you can make a copy, right? Okay, and the group open, delete the door, and then this one and this one. Okay, close the door. Okay, so something like this, and then this one. Okay, so your building is done from the from the far away. You can see your building is some sort of, it's looking some sort of building with the popping up windows and all that. Okay, and maybe you can, after that, maybe you can work something, let's say a tanker or something, for the let's say the cylinder is here. So yeah, sure, you can attach it on the top, let's say something like here. Okay, it's too big, so like this oil tanker or something. Okay, it's just for the practice, pretty basic thing, very basic, very basic. I mean it's very basic. You can do this, and also you can have also with the standard primitives, there are oil tank. You can, yeah, obviously you can use the oil tank for the tanker. You can L type of thing. Okay, capsule. Okay, no problem. Okay, so it's some sort of building, I think. And again, you can do another thing, another building. Just copy that. Let's say you can minimize the height. Okay, minimize the height. You can attach it to the something like that, so it's a kind of extension of the building. Or you can do whatever, maybe you can do this kind of zigzag pattern. Yeah, let's say you just copy. Let's say you just copy 1 2 3 4 5. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Okay, and then okay, let's say this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this 5 you just slide like this or this, whatever, just like this. So it's a kind of a looking kind of a modern zigzag kind of building, you see. So this kind of, this kind of shapes we are successfully created with the standard primitives, actually what we have learned so far. So it's a kind of building we created, just arranging the boxes and all that. Hope you enjoyed and you keep practicing. The first one was the table and chair, and this one is a building for exterior design. I mean the low poly or very light scene. You can create this kind of structure or this kind of buildings. I know more detail you can create. You can do sunset, or you can use the windows, actual windows from the windows parameters, something like that. So my idea is keep practicing and keep learning, keep learning to navigating the thing. So thank you for now. I will be back on next tutorial. Thank you very much.